Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Our title for today is Markup and Markdown. So, let's start.
Hello, my name is Hanis.
Hi, I'm Balkish.
Hi, you can call me Hafiz.
Hi, just call me Faiz. Markdown is a reduction of price from the original selling price due to reason. It is calculated based on the original selling price. List of formulas that can be used to find the markdown. Markdown equal by original selling price minus by new selling price. The second is percent of markdown equal by markdown divided by original selling price times by 100.
To determine profit or loss based on the value of markdown, you can use formula selling price for add quantity equals to new selling price after markdown. After that, multiply with add quantity and you can get the total of new selling price. The total new selling price minus the total cost, you will get the answer is that profit or loss.
The cost of a pack of project meal. First, we take our information, so we can use this formula. SP equal to C plus N, 6 equal to C plus 0.4C, 6 equal to 1.4C. Therefore, C is equal to Rn 4 and 29 cents. Total net profit for that day. So we take our information. We can use this formula. M is equal to OE plus MP. Therefore, 549 and 12 equal to 205 and 92 plus NP. Therefore, NP is equal to 549 and 12 cents minus 205 and 92 cents. The answer is Rn 343 and 20 cents.
So, for question 3, we want to find the total amount of money paid by the owner for the bird cage. First of all, we must know either the owner gets the discount or not. Then, we use the formula total payment, which is list price times 1 minus first discount times 1 minus second discount. Before we proceed to formula, we need to find the list price, which means the total cost for 15 bird cage. Lastly, we got 2,262 ringgit and 15 cents. Next, find the selling price of each bird cage. In this question, we have cost and markup, so we can use formula S equal to C plus M. But we must find the total markup. So markup is 25% on the selling. That means 25% times with selling price. Since we don't have selling price, we just have to put the symbol. Selling price is equal to 2,968 ringgit and 20 cents. Remember, the question asks selling price for one bird cage only. We have to divide the total with 50 and we got the answer.
How to find a percentage markup on cost is you need to find cost first. The cost is 2226.15 and the second step find the markup, which is 25%. Multiply with the selling price, so it will be 0.25 multiplied 2968.2 equals to 742.05. Next, to find percentage markup on cost is you need to follow this formula. Percentage markup equals to open bracket markup divided by cost close bracket and then multiply with 100%. Now what you need to do is insert the value. Percentage markup equals to 742.05 divided by 2226.15 multiply with 100%, so you can get the answer, which is 33.33%.
Question 4. Find the selling price of a 30 ml bottle hand sanitizer. So, Kuzari bought 180 hand sanitizer at cost 2 ringgit and 16 cents each. Another information that given is 70% net profit based on cost. That means 70% times with total cost. We also have 35% of operating expenses based on selling price. So, just list out the information to know which formula we can use. Since we have cost, net profit and operating expenses, we can use formula S equal to C plus OE plus NP. Don't forget to divide the answer to 180 because we want a selling price for each hand sanitizer.
B. Find the operating expenses of a 30 ml bottle of hand sanitizer. So we take our information. OE equal to 35% times SP OE equal to 0.335 times 1224. OE 180 equal to 428 and 40 cents. OE1 equal to RN 2 ringgit and 38 cents.
Question 4C. Find the break-even price of 30 milliliter bottle of hand sanitizer. The given cost 1 equals by 2 ringgit and 60 cent. Operating expenses equals by 2 ringgit and 38 cent. So we're gonna search of BEP, break-even price. So the formula is BEP equals by C plus OE. Break-even price equals by cost plus operating expenses. Cost is 2 ringgit and 60 cent plus operating expenses 2 ringgit and 38 cent. The answer is 4 ringgit and 98 cent.
For question D, the formula you need to use is new selling price equal to old selling price multiply with 1 minus percentage of markdown. So it will be 6.80 multiplied with 1 minus 0.25, and the answer is 5.10. Next, you need to calculate for old selling price first, which is selling price for 160 bottle equals to old selling price multiply with 160 bottle. You can get 6.80 and then multiply with 160 bottle equals to 1088, which is the answer. In addition, you need to find another 20 bottle after markdown, which is selling price for 20 bottle equal to 5.10. After that, multiply with 20 and the answer is 102. Last step, you just plus 1088 with 102. The final answer is Ringgit Malaysian 1190.
That's all from us. Thank you for lending us your time and ears. We hope you enjoy watching this video. See you. Assalamualaikum.